Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete channel on WhatsApp, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, go ahead, open up your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone, and now you will find this kind of interface, right? Simply go ahead, tap on this option of updates on the bottom left, and right over here you can find your my status on top and the channels that you have created in the channels section. If you want to add more, tap on plus icon, create one, good to go. If you want to simply delete the existing one, tap on it. It will open up the channel including the channels text panel, and if you want to delete it, tap on channel name on top. Now scroll on all the way to the bottom, and here you go, you will find the option of delete channel. Go ahead, tap on it. Now it will say this channel will be permanently deleted. Followers can see past activities and stuff. If you simply want to remove it anyways, tap on delete, and for that simply add in your number. Once done, tap on delete. So you can see for me I have another number connected with my account. You have to make sure that you add the exact number that is connected with your account, WhatsApp account itself, so you can receive the code, paste the code, and again confirm it, and you will be able to delete your channel likewise. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.